Let's see how to install Node.js on Windows 11. We'll begin by opening the web browser. And let's go to nodejs.org. Here we find two versions, the LTS, long-term support version, and the latest version. You can choose either one, and chances are that you won't see any difference. But since the LTS version is considered a bit more stable, it's a better fit for most people, and that's what we'll choose for this tutorial. The installer was downloaded. Let's run it. Here, we need to click on Next, then accept the license agreement. We can change the installation location, but I'll leave the default value. On the Features page, I'm also going to leave everything at the default settings and click Next. Here, we can install another tool called Chocolatey, which is basically a package manager for Windows, but it's not needed for basic Node development, so it's not a must. Finally, we need to click on Install. If prompted for administrator privileges, select Yes and wait for Node.js to be installed. Okay, the installation is done. Let's make sure that it was installed correctly. To do that, open either CMD or the Windows terminal. We can check which version of Node we have installed by running node ---- version, and we can see that the version matches the one we installed. Let's now write a simple Hello World program right within the Node console. Let's start Node. Here, we'll write the program. In our case, it's a one-liner that displays the text Hello World. And indeed, that's the output of our program. But of course, we're not going to write our programs right in the console. We want to save them in their own files. Let's start by creating a new folder. You can name it however you want. I'll just go with Node. Let's also make sure that Windows shows file name extensions, as it may help clear some confusion. Now, we can create our new file. It must have the JS extension, as Node can only run JavaScript files. For our code itself, we'll use a program that runs a simple Hello World server. Example code can be found in the Node website, so let's open the About page. Let's copy this code and paste it to our file. To run our new JavaScript file, let's open CMD again and navigate to the folder containing the script. To run the script, we type node, followed by the name of the script file. And we can see that the server is now listening on port 3000. Let's open our browser and go to port 3000 on localhost. And we can see the response from the server right in our browser.